Hello students, in this last part we are going to discuss plastic and environment. You know, plastic has many roles in our daily life. Plastic has so many desirable properties that they have proved to be extremely versatile material with a number of uses. Means it plays a important role for our daily lives. Without plastics, no work. Okay. When plastic objects like polythene bags are thrown away, they do not degrade either chemically or biologically. As a result, plastic junk is increasing at an alarming rate, which causes certain environmental hazards, and this is becoming a global concern. Okay. Or what? When we go to the market, we get usually things wrapped in plastic or pockets in polythene bags in every times. The plastics is generally two types. First one is biodegradable, second one is non-biodegradable. A material which is easily decomposed by a natural process is called biodegradable, and it is caused by microorganisms like bacteria. And another one is non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable is one which is not decomposed by a natural process, is called non-biodegradable. In biodegradable materials, what are these examples? Means sewage, vegetable peels, human animals waste. Okay. And polythenes are the non-biodegradable materials, irons, every metals. Okay. Next, you can see a table, and this table which is shown on screen is used to know the time required for the various sources of materials to decompose. The first one is peels of vegetables. It is the approximate time to disappear, means decompose, is 7 to 15 days. And this materials, what is the nature of materials? It is biodegradable, means it is decomposed. Second one is paper. The approximate time to decompose paper is 2 to 4 weeks, and it is also called biodegradable after, and so on. Last one is the plastic bags, and it takes several years to decompose, and it is a non-biodegradable. Okay. Then comes to effects of excessive plastic on environments. Means what are the effects that is on the environment? The first is plastic bags. Plastic bags like polythene bags contain leftover food materials, and it is eaten by animals in urban area, particularly cows, and results in their death. Means is the waste materials like polythenes, it is eaten by a cow and it causes permanently death. Okay. Or what? Plastic bags choke the drains, which results in the overflowing of wastewater and become good reproduction place of mosquito. The burning process of plastic releases a lot of poisonous fumes into air, causing air pollution, and this burning process also very slow and cannot be burned completely. Means in the process of plastic, the burning process of plastic, it releases a lot of poisonous gas that causes air pollution. And you know also that plastic takes several times to decompose, so it reduces the percolation of water into the soil, and it is replacement of the groundwater, means it causes both soil pollution and water pollution also. Or what? And these plastic materials, when thrown out, destroy the natural beauty of place, and it provides home for many pathogens. You can easily see in this picture, means it is totally destroyed to the world. it's all about the disadvantages of plastic. So the government set a rule, that is 4R principle. 4R means what? Reduce, reuse, recycle, and the last one is recover. We should reduce the use of plastic whenever it is possible. Example, instead of using plastic bags, you can use what? Cloth या फिर jute bags for shopping in place of plastic bags. It is reduce. Then comes to reuse. We should reuse some plastic containers whenever it is possible. Example, you can see this picture. The empty bottles and jar can be used for keeping other items in the home and kitchen. Means scissors, any color pencils. Okay. Third one is recycles. Means we can recycle the material. We should collect plastic which can be recycled. Most of the thermoplastics can be recycled, so items made of thermoplastics should be sent to the recycling industry. So examples, what? Toys, bucket, mugs, etc. are made from thermoplastic, and this is, we can recycle this. The last one is recover. The principle of recovery plays a major role in the solid waste management. The recollected or recovered solid waste should be converted into resources such as electricity, heat, compost, and fuel through thermal and biological means. What is the recover? Means it is a principle which is plays an important role for the solid waste management. Means how you can manage the solid waste to become a useful works. It's all about the 4R principle. Now some important questions are given, and it is important also your exam. First one is, how can you show that thermoplastic is poor conductor of electricity? As you have seen that all the electric wires are insulated with plastic, and you have seen that those plastic cover do not cause any kind of electric shock when you touch it. Next, write the advantages of using plastic container for storing food. Means what are the advantages of plastic containers for storing food? First one is, they do not react with food, they are strong and light, they are easy to handle and use. Next question, why mountaineers use nylon rope for climbing the mountain? Because nylon is a high strength fiber, so it do not break easily. It's all about your chapter 3, that is synthetic fibers and plastics.